Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a linear number pattern, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us, given the first four terms of a linear pattern, 3x, y, 30, they've asked us to calculate the values of x and y. Now the most important word in this entire question is the word linear. That gives you all of the information you need in order to solve for x and y, and you shall see why now. So I'm going to rewrite our pattern, which is 3x, y, 30. Now, when it comes to a number pattern, typically what you do is you look for the first difference. Now, in this case, it's a little weird because we've got x's and y's in our difference, but let's do it anyway. So let's say x minus 3 is our difference over there. We know that y minus x will be our difference over there, and we know that 30 minus y will be our difference over there. Now, this is why linear is our most important word. We know that the first difference is going to be constant, which means that this equals this equals this. So let's form equations. X minus 3 equals y minus x. We also know that y minus x equals 30 minus y. All right? So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So essentially what we've just done is we've found that we have simultaneous equations. We've got an x and a y to solve for, and to do that we need to work with two equations. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at equation 1, and I'm going to try and write it in a form where y is the subject of the formula. So to do that, I need to pull that x across. That's going to become a plus x, so I've got 2x minus 3 equals y, and I'm going to call that equation 3. Now, because I've manipulated equation 1 to get equation 3, I need to substitute 3 into 2, and I'm going to tell the marker that. I'm going to say, now I'm going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. And to do that, wherever I see a y, I'm going to plug in my 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 minus x equals 30 minus, open up our brackets, 2x minus 3. Right, let's simplify these x's quickly. So that's 2x minus x gives me a single x minus 3 equals 30 minus 2x plus 3. Right, let's pull this 2x across, get all our x's on one side. That's going to be 3x. Then we've got 30 plus 3 gives us 33, plus another 3 gives us 36. And therefore we know that x is equal to 12. But that's not the end of the work. Okay, we've only got x, we need to calculate y as well. So in order to do that, we're going to take this x and we're going to subs it back into 3. So we're going to tell the marker that. We're going to say, right, substitute x equals 12 into our equation 3. And when we do that, we're going to have 2 times 12 minus 3 equals y. 2 times 12 is going to give us 24 minus 3 equals y. And once we do that, we get 21 equals y, which now answers the question. Thanks so much to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.